Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Thimbles, Threads, and More. My name is Dale, and today is exciting. I won this machine. I won it back in December, and it just arrived, and so I'm opening it. And let me just say, this is like the third machine, not from the same place, but I've won like 3 machines. My mom says I need to play the lottery. This is the Brother LB5500. I won this thing. So this is an embroidery. Does it have a picture? No picture, but it's an embroidery and sewing machine. So let's see if we can get a look at it. So a lot of times people ignore content. Sometimes I have nothing to do and I enter them, not knowing what the prize may be until the end. But this was Sewing Machines Plus. I shop with them frequently and I entered a contest. So look at there. There's my little hoop. There's a hoop. There's a cover. There's a little kit with needles, a thread, a holder, bobbin, all kind of tools. There are cables. There's a sewing kit. And what I like to do is I will take my label maker and I will put LB5500. Whatever the machine is, that's what I put on this. So I have like 4 or 5 of these. So I'm going to make sure I label them. I thought it was a stapler inside at first. There's my foot pedal. I thought, what is a stapler doing there? How cool is this? So I've got to put it together. Husband, how cool is this? Oh my goodness. And it's free, y'all. It's free. It is free. So they got all the blue tape. That's when you know it's brand new. You see that blue tape on stuff. So here it is, the Brother. Oh, and it's talking about the Art Spira, the new thing that Brother has. And there it is, the LB5500 embroidery and sewing machine. And that's just part of it because it's got to have a little bed to do the embroidery part. And there are the manuals. We definitely need those. They have it packed really good with all this cardboard and styrofoam. And there is the magic. There is the embroidery bed that will hold the embroidery frame. I love Brother products. I'm currently sewing on a Brother product. I probably have more of Brother stuff than a little bit. So this will just, I imagine, get on there some kind of way. And I'm going to have to read to see. Or maybe it goes to the front. I'll figure it out. But I just wanted to share what I won. Thank y'all for stopping by.